welcome. Here's a simple demonstration of the field of view for the Vantrue E360. See there that the cameras pick up the riders going past the car from the rear, the centre and in front, and then we have a car driving by and I do a grab of the number plate. It's not very legible, unfortunately. And in this video here, I want to see that it's not vibrating. I want to see the cameras aren't vibrating on the mount. Now this is a slow speed test. I also do tests a bit faster than this, and sometimes it's rougher road. This is a good indication to show how stable it can be. You also can hear the audio to give you an idea of the microphone sensitivity. Thanks for watching.